Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Apple Vision Pro that was just released at WWDC 2023. And please excuse my voice coughing in this video. I had surgery on Friday, so I'm still a little throat's still a little sore from the anesthesia and stuff like that. I just got home yesterday, so sorry about all that, but I want to get this out to you guys because it is something that's new and big, and it only comes once a year. So Vision Pro looks amazing. You can, if you ever use the Meta Quest with all the windows up and the apps and stuff like that, you can do that. You can have dedicated apps, theater mode, FaceTime, all that kind of stuff it's going to do. You can connect like your Mac to it wirelessly and have, your screens up, like basically like a virtual desktop. And then you can use a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, or trackpad if you want to, and basically have like a virtual desk. So pretty amazing. Battery life, it has an external battery pack that kind of clips, the cable clips onto the side and you put it in your pocket. They said 2 hours for that, and then all day if it's plugged in. Obviously it's going to be all day if it's plugged in. So those are the options for power. Battery life, like I said, 2 hours. But what really sucks is the price. $34.99. Now, I know it's going to be a great product. It's going to be a really cool product. It's going to be, something that's going to do a lot of stuff. But the Meta Quest at, like $400, $500 does similar things with the windows, and technically you can connect your computer to it, not wirelessly, but there are ways to get your desktop on there. And a lot of the other stuff it's going to do, it has apps and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not trying to compare the two, because the Apple one is going to be more powerful and have more dedicated apps and do a lot more with the Apple ecosystem. So I do understand the higher price, but when there's stuff out there for $500 and $600 that does a really good job at some of those features, I think the Vision Pro at $3,500 is priced quite a bit high for a first-gen product that, yes, it has a lot more in terms of features and how they work and how good they're going to work. But we were kind of thinking more in the $2,000 range. So for it to be, almost $3,400 or $3,500, that's how much it is. I think that's quite a bit high. But we'll see how the sales go with that. We'll see if they come out with something. The second gen, if the price goes down, it's got the M2 chip in it with the R1 chip, which helps with, I guess, like video and making sure everything is streamed to the screen like instantly. I think it was like 12 milliseconds or something like that. So there's no like lag and stuff like that, and everything is smooth and fluent and up to the moment. But a lot of cool features. They have like an OLED screen on the front, so your eyes pass through so other people can see you, and you can see other people in the environment. So you can actually move around and stuff without having to take it off, and have your virtual environment inside your actual physical environment, which is pretty cool. So that's what we know about the Vision Pro right now. There is a page up on the Apple website already if you want to go check it out, or if you want to watch the end of the keynote. That is when they announced it. So Apple Vision Pro, $3,500. Quite steep. I probably won't be buying one right off the bat, or I want to wait till the price comes down, something like that. So probably won't be seeing that here on the channel, but that is the Vision Pro for the people who are wondering about that. And I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.